Yeah. So let's discuss the question number 13. All of you go through the question. The structure of the compound whose IUPAC name is 3-ethyl 2-hydroxy 4-methyl hex 3-5-wine-oic acid. Can you tell me what is its structure? It is a Neet 2013 question. Any idea? So
Option D.
Option? Tell me.
D.
Option D you are getting. Okay, let's check it out whether it's option D. So first we will take it out option D itself and we will try to analyze that. So, oh, it's a very big one. Wait. Okay. Okay, fine. It looks good. Okay, so let's start taking the option D and analyze it. So I will redraw that structure for you just to see that. So you have a structure like this. Okay, so like this, you could see here end carbon, you have COOH is present and you have an OH group is present here. Okay, fine. Then you have, if you see here, you can see a structure like this and you have a triple bond here. Nice. Okay, you have a triple bond here, then you have a double bond here. Good. Okay, now how you can name this? So we know that when our functional group COOH is present, it has the highest priority. So I can say I will start numbering from here. So this is a part of the parent chain. So 1, this is 2. Then we know that as per our rule, we should include maximum number of double bonds in our parent carbon chain. So this will be 3 and this will be 4, this will be 5 and this will be 6. Correct? Now we know that there are 6 carbons in the parent carbon chain. So my word root is hex. Correct? Now I know that primary suffix. Okay, at the third position you have ene and fifth position you have wine. So alphabetically ene will come first. So we say 3n. Okay, and at the fifth position you have wine 5yn. Okay, then you have the 2-degree suffix, that is oic acid at the first position. You can either mention that or simply write oic acid. Both are correct. Now we will go to 1-degree prefix. 1-degree prefix is not applicable here. Why? Because it is not a cyclo compound. Now 2-degree prefix, it is the substituent. So we know that whenever 2 functional groups are present, the one which is having the higher priority will behave like the functional group and the other one will behave like what? As a substituent. So we know that at the second position you have OH group. Here it is behaving like a substituent. So OH group, when it behaves like a substituent, we used to put the name hydroxy. So I can write 2-hydroxy is one substituent. Okay. Is there any other substituent? We know that if you are looking here, there is no other substituent I could see here. Only 2-hydroxy is there. So 2-hydroxy, whether, yeah, one more is there. Now, if you see here in the option for D, there is an extra something that is present like this. So there you can see here at the fourth position, you have methyl group is also present. So I can note down that fourth position, you have a methyl group, correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 methyl will also come. So we can note down that 4 methyl. Then is there any other substituent? Yes, we know that at the third position, you have an extrapolation like this, CH2, CH3. So I can write 3-ethyl is also present. Now, how you will arrange this one? You know that this needs to be arranged alphabetically. So who comes first? E comes first, then H comes next, then M comes. So I can write 3-ethyl. Okay. Then you have 2-hydroxy, 2-hydro. Okay, there is no enough space. So what I should do? I will rub this and I will put it in the down. Okay, so that it becomes easy. Fine. So I will put first 3-ethyl. Okay, 3-ethyl. Then I will write 2-hydroxy, 2-hydroxy. Then you have 4-methyl, 4-methyl, like this. So put a hyphen. Then comes hex 3n. So I will write it completely. Hex 3n. Okay. 5-yn oic acid. So its correct answer, option D is the correct answer. Is this clear for everyone, all of you?
Yes,
Hello, dear
sir.
students.
Yes,
Super. Neat 2013 question. So let's go to the next one. Option D was correct one. Can you tell me the answer for this one? Which nomenclature is not according to IUPAC system? Can you tell me? Which
Option E.
nomenclature is not according to IUPAC system?
Option E.
Option A. Okay, let's see. So in option A, you have bromine atom like this. Then you have CH2 present like this. Then you have CH double bond CH2. So I know that first step is identifying the parent carbon chain. So this is my parent carbon chain. There is no doubt in that. Next step is numbering. I know that priority is first functional group. Okay. Then who will come? Then multiple bond, MB, multiple bonds. Then comes substituent. So here multiple bond is present here. So I will give 1. This is 2. This is 3. So what is the name of this compound? I can say this is 3-bromo. Okay. Word root, 3 carbon atoms are there. So prop. And at the first position you have ene. So prop 1-ene or 3-bromopropene. So here they have mentioned it as 1-bromopropene. I know that that is wrong. So I can say that which nomenclature is not according to IUPAC system means option A will be the correct answer, because the actual answer is which one? 3-bromopropene. 3-bromopropene is the correct answer. Good. So what about the next options? Can we just analyze that as well? So in the next one, we know that the longest possible chain here is this one. Okay. Then we know that while numbering, 2 will come here, minimum number. So 1, 2, 3. Then here you have 4. Here you have 5. Here 6. So I can say that at the fourth position you have methyl and bromo. At the second position you have methyl. So bromo will come first alphabetically. So 4-bromo. At the second and fourth position you have methyl. So 2,4 dimethyl. Word root have 6 carbons. So hexane. So this is a correct way of numbering. Now if I look at the next option, you can see here again the parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 carbon atoms are there. Now here you have a benzene ring also present here. Okay, so I will choose the parent chain as this one rather than benzene, because if I choose benzene as my parent chain, then I cannot put the naming for the other substituents because it is lengthy. So this one I will choose. Now I am numbering it 1. Here it will become 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. So I can say second position you have methyl, and at the third position, when benzene behaves like a substituent, we say phenyl, 3-phenyl, then 5 carbon atom in the ring, so pentane. Clear? So this is also correct. Now when I am looking at the last option, you can see again I choose the parent carbon chain like this. It's a carbon containing functional group, so I will choose it like this. Now you can see here numbering, we should give priority to functional groups. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5, and this is 6. So I can say that at the 5th position you have a carbonyl group. We also have COOH, but the priority goes for COOH. So here carbonyl group behaves like a substituent. So when it behaves like a substituent, we use the term oxo. So we can write 5-oxo. Parent chain have 6 carbon atoms, so we say hexanoic acid, or even we can write hexane 1-oic acid. Both are correct. Since 1 is the position, we won't mention that exactly. So this is also correct. So we can say option A is correct. That was done wrongly. Okay. So very good answer. Let's say option A is the correct answer. Now, can you tell me the answer for this one? We have the next question, 2011 question for you. Can you tell me? So what is the answer for this question? So let's redraw the figure. You have something like this. Okay, all of you take a pen and paper. Please do it along with me. So you have a structure like this. Then you have a double bond like this. Now I should put the numbering. Now the thing is, we should include maximum double bond in our parent carbon chain, and it should, when no other things are there, because functional group is not there, then the priority goes for multiple bonds. So surely this will be 1, this will be 2. Then I know this will be 3. Next question is which direction we should go. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Okay. If you go like this, you will get basically 2 substituent. But if I go like this, I will get only 1 substituent. We know that while choosing the parent carbon chain, try to choose the chain which contains maximum number of substituents. So I will go like this, 4, 5, 6. Now I know that at the 4th position, you have an ethyl group is present. 4th position, you have an ethyl. Then at the 3rd position, you have 1, 2, 3. Propyl is present. 3rd position, you have propyl is present. Now parent chain have 6 carbon atoms. So my word root is hex. Okay. At the first position, you have a double bond. So hex 1-ene. There is no functional group. So I can write hex 1-ene. Then I can write 4 ethyl and 3 propyl. Alphabetically, ethyl will come first. So I can write 4 ethyl. Okay. 3 propyl. Okay. Hex 1-ene or hexene. Is there any answer present like that? 4 ethyl, 3 propyl, hex 1-ene. So option A should be the correct answer. I am hoping. Whether all of you are getting the same answer or a different answer? Can you tell me? Hello, dears. Hello.
Getting the same answer.
Getting the same answer. Super. Please respond, yeah. We can interact, right? Just you can tell, sir, I am getting a different answer. Sir, I am getting an answer like this. Why is it like that? Please interact. Then this will give you enough energy to attend this one. Okay, we are getting the same way. 4 ethyl, 3 propyl, hex 1-ene. Okay. So let's go to the next question. So it was mains 2011, also 1998 question paper it was present. So what is the answer for this question? So I will redraw the figure. You have a chlorine, okay, that is connected to a carbon, and you have a CH3 that is connected to that. Then you have a double bond present, and that is connected to a carbon. So that is connected to another CH2, CH3, okay, and this is also connected to iodine like this. So what is the name of this compound? So we know that here all heavier groups, okay, heavier groups are present on the opposite side. Okay, so we can say this will be basically trans form. It is not cis form. Okay, next thing is we should choose the parent carbon chain. So I know that if I choose the parent carbon chain, this will be my parent carbon. So I will choose a different color for you to understand. Wait. Okay, so I'll choose this color. Okay, fine. So this is my parent carbon chain like this. Okay, now I should put numbering. So I am putting numbering. I have, if I go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I will get. Now if I go in the other way, I will get 1, 2, 3, it will start. So here if I go like this, I'm getting a locant 2, 3. That is the minimum number. If I go from right to left, I will get 3, 4. So I will choose the one which is minimalistic, that is this one. Okay. Now I will put the numbering. At the second position, you have chloro, and the third position, you have iodo. So alphabetically, I know chloro will come first. So my naming will be trans, okay, then 2 chloro, okay, then you have 3 iodo, okay, then 3 iodo. Parent chain have 5 carbon atoms. So we say pent. Then we know that at the second position, you have an ene. So pent 2-ene. So this should be the answer. Is there any answer present like that? Trans 2 chloro, 3 iodo. Either you can say pent 2-ene or 2 pentene. Both are correct. So I hope option A will be the correct answer. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So option A is the correct answer. So you can see if the bulkier groups are on the opposite side, we know iodine is a bulkier group, and here the bulkier group is chlorine. So both are on the opposite side. So I can easily say this is a trans form. Okay. Now try out this question and tell me the answer. It's a 2010 CBSE PMT. Okay. The structure looks like this. CH3 is present. Okay. Then you have CH is present. Then you have a double bond. Then you have another CH. Then it is connected to a carbon, triple bond, then CH, like this. So what is the name of this compound? Can you tell me? So while numbering, I know that here, if I go from right to left, I can get the minimum numbers. So I will prefer this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if I go from left to right, then you can start only with the 2. So here the locants coming is 1, 3. But if I go from left to right, what will happen? I will get a locant 2, then 3, 4. 2, 4 I will get. I know the minimum number is 1 here. So I will go for this numbering. So what is the name? Parent chain has 5 carbon atoms. So I will put pent. Now we know that ene and yne are present. So alphabetically ene will come first. So pent 3n. And at the first position you have yne. So the answer is pent 3n, 1 yne. Is there any answer like that? Yes, pent 3n, 1 yne. Option B should be the correct answer. Are you getting it in the same way? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good going. I hope all of you are understanding it. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. Don't worry. Okay. But I can also create a separate question for you, something like this. Please tell me the answer for this one. This is very important. CH2 double bond, CH. Okay. C triple bond, CH. Can you tell me the answer for this one? What will be the answer? Again, I know this is my parent carbon chain. There is no doubt in that. But here the question is, if I number from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the locants I am getting here is between 1 and 2, 1, and between 3 and 4, 3. So I am getting the locant 3, 4. But if I number in the other way, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I am getting the locant like this. Again, between 1 and 2, 1, and between 3 and 4, 3. So you are getting confused. Sir, in both way, I am getting the same locants. So how I can choose which numbering is correct? So here comes the IUPAC rule. I hope you are remembering. Whenever there is symmetrical, the compound is symmetrical in nature, and you have the same locants, then give preference. Give preference to which one? Give preference to, can you tell me? Give preference to double bond.
Double bond.
Exactly. Super. So here the correct numbering is this one, and this is the wrong numbering. So my answer here will be which one? But. Tell me, but. So we know that but, ene and yne is there. So but 1n, and at the third position you have yne. So 3 yne. This will be the correct answer. Clear? This was a question. Exactly that question. In different way it is coming. 2009, the question paper. Can you tell me the answer now? You can easily do it. Just now we have done a question similar to that. CH triple bond C. Then CH double bond CH2. So can you tell me the answer? Here also we know they are in symmetrical position. So I should put number 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. So what will be the answer? But, tell me, 1n, and at the third position you have yne, 3 yne. Is there any answer? But 1n. 1 butene, 3 yne. This is also correct. So option C is the correct answer. Clear? I hope it is clear for you,
Yes.
all of you.
Yes.
Yes, super. Now can we go to next question? 2006 question. So can you tell me the answer for this one? Let me redraw the figure. So you have something like this. Okay, then you have a carbonyl chloride, oil halide. We used to say like this, oil halide. Now again, we know that this is also a carbon containing functional group. So how should I choose the parent carbon chain? I should include that. Then I should choose the longest possible chain like this. Correct? Now I can do the numbering. So if I do the numbering, this will become 1, this will become 2, this will become 3, this will become 4, and this will become 5. Now I know that at the second position and third position, you have methyl group. So we can say 2, 3 dimethyl. Correct? Then in the parent carbon chain, you have 5 carbon atoms. So we use the term pent. All are linked through single bond. So we say pentan. And at the first position, you have oil halide or oil chloride. So oil chloride. So what is the name? Combine, we can write it like this, 2, 3 dimethyl, okay, pentanoyl. Either you can say pentan 1 oil or we can say pentanoyl chloride. This will be the answer. So which option corresponds to that? I hope option 3, option C is correct. 2,3. Option C will be the correct answer. Are you getting? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
All of you are getting right. Good going. So let's go to the next question. So yeah, so we have the next question in front of you. 2005 question. Names of some of the IUP compounds are given. Which one is not in IUPAC system? So we have already done a question similar to this, but in a different year. So this came way back in 2005. Okay. So I hope this might be the year I was attending. I hope so. Okay, let's check it out. So first, can you tell me what is the answer for this one? In one shot, any idea? So even we can analyze it without even redrawing it. Let's check it in that way. So if I am checking this carbon atom, I know the longest chain is this one. So let me number it. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. So I can say third position you have methyl and fourth position you have ethyl. And we know that alphabetically who will come? Ethyl. So I can say 4 ethyl, then 3 methyl, then parent chain have 7. So we say hept, all are linked through single bond, heptane. So whether here it is mentioned 3 methyl as first instead of 4 ethyl. So this is wrong. So I can say this might be the answer. Now let's go to the next option and analyze it. Now if you see here, I can say the parent carbon chain again is this one, like this. Okay, so I know that functional group should get the minimum number. So here 1, here 2, here 3, and here 4. So I can say 3 methyl butane 2-ol or 2-butanol. So this is correct. Now let's go to the next one. So here double bond is present. So I should include that in my parent chain and I should identify the longest one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Either I can go like this or I can go like this. But if I go in the left way, I have minimum number of substituents. So I will go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I know that second position you have ethyl and at the third position you have methyl. So we say 2 ethyl. Okay, then I say 3 methyl but 1-ene. So this is also correct. Now let's look at the last one. We will expand it and draw CH3, C triple bond C. Then you have CH, here CH3 is present and here another CH3 is present. Now I know that the parent chain here, I should include the maximum number of double bond. So let me choose this as my parent chain. So I should number in such a way that the double bond should get the lowest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can say that at the fourth position you have methyl, then 5 carbon atoms are there. So we say pent. Second position you have wine. So pent 2-wine or 2-pentyne. So this is also correct. So my answer is option A. Option A was given wrongly as per IUPAC. The correct way is this one. Is this clear for everyone? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Okay, I hope there is no doubt. Feel free to ask. Don't worry. It's all about learning, nothing else. Okay, you might have seen the Neet 2021 paper. You can see each question, the entire 50 questions are from NCERT. Not even a single question is from outside. But what I am telling is, if you are understanding everything in a bigger way, the understanding NCERT is very, very easy. Just if you revise it, you can remember everything on the day of the exam. So my sincere request is, please go through all of our videos. Please make note of that. Please listen to all YouTube videos we are uploading there. If you are missing one session, you can go and see there. Take down the notes. Then do all the questions in NCERT and go through, read the NCERT as many times as possible. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the doubt clearance group. Okay. And also in the doubt clearance session we are conducting. Okay. So it's all about understanding the things and doing it. Now tell me the answer for this one. Name of the compound, okay, given below is. So there is no functional group here. There is no multiple bond here, just a lengthy hydrocarbon chain. You just need to choose the lengthiest chain and find out the answer. So I can redraw it for you. So you have a structure that is looking like this with the 3 mountains like this. Then you have another one projecting like this, and you have something projecting like this. So here also I can choose my parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is only there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can say this is my parent chain. Okay, continuous, long continuous parent carbon chain I have chosen. Now I should number it. So if I go from right to left, the substituents will get higher number. But if I go from left to right, it will get the minimum possible number. So 3, and this is 4, and this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 8. So we know it is 8 carbon atoms. So parent chain is oct, and they are linked through single bond. So we say octine. And at the third position, you have methyl. Fourth position, you have ethyl. So alphabetically, ethyl will come. So we say 4 ethyl. Then you have 3 methyl will be coming. Okay, 3 methyl. So answer is 4 ethyl, 3 methyl octane. Is there any answer like that? 4 ethyl, 3 methyl octane. Option A looks the correct answer. All of you are getting the same answer or a different answer? Hello.
Same answer, sir.
Same.
Super, super. So let's go to the next question. So A is the correct answer. Yeah, we have the next question in front of you. Okay, last 10 minutes. So we'll try to do 3 to 4 questions by this period of time. So can you tell me the answer for this one? So you can see the structure CH2, okay, double bond, CH, okay, then you have CH2, then you have CH2, then you have C, triple bond CH. So what is the name? Again, we know that if I go, this is my parent carbon chain. There is no doubt in that. There is only one linear chain. So I can say this is my parent chain. Next thing is numbering. But if I do the numbering from left to right or right to left, you are going to get the same numbers. So, but I should give priority for double bond. So I will do from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you have doubt, you can just put the locant here 1, 5 will come as the locant. If I do the numbering in other way, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here also you can see the locants coming is 1, 5. So we know that the priority should be given for double bond. So this is chosen as the answer, and this one is wrong. This numbering is wrong. Okay. So what is the name of this compound? Can you tell me? You have 6 carbon atoms. So I can write hex, and you can see first position you have N. So 1N, and at the 5th position you have wine. So 5 wine. This is the answer. So hex. So 1 hexene, you can say 5 wine. Option B looks the correct answer. All of you are getting the same or a different one?
Same answer.
Super,
Same, sir.
super, good going. Now let's go to the next question. The incorrect IUPAC name is 2001. Now we have started from 2020 and we reached now 2001 almost. So can you tell me which is the incorrect IUPAC name among the one? So we can do it in the options itself. So we will choose the parent carbon chain like this for this one. Okay. Now we will put the number. We know that carbonyl group is there. So we should give priority for that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that this is nothing but 3 methyl. 3 methyl will come. But they have given here 2 methyl. So this is wrong. So I can say that this is nothing but 3 methyl. Okay. So let me rub this one and write it up. So I can write 3-methyl. Okay. Then parent chain have 4 carbon atoms. So but are linked through single bond. Butane 2-on is the answer. So I think incorrect one is option A itself. Now let's check the other options as well. So we choose the parent carbon chain here also, CH3, CH. So we will get the lengthiest here, CH2, CH3. Now you number it. So if you are numbering, I can say 1, 2, 3. If I go like this, 1, 2, 3. So this looks the better one. So I will choose 1, here 2, and here 3, and here 4, and here 5. So I can say at the second position methyl, third position also methyl. That's the reason why 2,3-diamethyl, 5 carbon atoms, so pentane. So this is correct one. So next option you can expand and see that CH3. Okay, then you have C, triple bond, then C, then you have CH that is connected to 2 CH3 units like this. So what is the name of this one? Again, my parent chain is this one. I can easily say that. Now I should number it. Numbering, I should give priority for multiple bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can easily say 4-methyl pent 2-wine. 4-methyl 2-pentwine or pentan 2-wine. Both are correct. Okay, so this is also correct. Now let's go to the last one. So if I draw the last one, you can see CH3, CHCl. Okay, then you have another CHBr is present like this. Okay, then you have CH3 is present. Now I know that my parent chain here is which one? This one is the biggest possible chain. Okay, now you have a doubt. If I number like this 1, 2, 3, 4, I will get a locand that is 2, 3. Now suppose another student says, sir, I numbered like this 1, 2, 3, 4. So that student is also getting the locand 2, 3. So can you tell me which one is correct? Here, when two substituents are there and the compound is symmetrical, so give priority to alphabets. So who comes alphabetically first, chloro or bromo? This also I have told in my rules. Bromo will come first. So this is the correct way of numbering. This is the correct one. The other one is wrong. Okay, this is wrong one. So what is the answer here? I can say. So here the answer should be chloro bromo. So alphabetically bromo will come. So it should be 2 bromo. This is wrong. It should be 2 bromo. Okay. Then this should be 3 chloro butane. That should be. So here two of them are wrong, I think. So let's check out the answer for this question. So they have given the option A as the correct wrong numbering. We have also identified that, but option D is also wrong because option D should be 2 bromo and 3 chloro because alphabetically bromine will come first. So that should be the correct way of numbering when you have symmetrical compound. So I am correcting this one. Please make this as 2 bromo itself, and this is 3 chloro. Okay, then we can say this is correct one. Clear? Hello, all of you. Is this clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's a printing mistake, I hope, in this question. Now let's go to the next question. So can you tell me the answer for this one? 1996, way back. Okay. So we have the question like this: CH3, then you have a CH, then you have another CH3 present like this, then you have CH2, then CH2Br. Very easy question. So we can say our parent carbon chain is which one? We can choose it like this. Now I should number. So we know that if I go from left to right, 2 is the number minimum coming. But if I go from right to left, 1 is the number coming for the substituent. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can easily say the answer will be 1 bromo. Alphabetically bromo will come. Then 3 methyl. Then we know the parent chain has 4 carbon atoms. So but, all are linked through single bond. So butane. So is there any answer like that? 1 bromo, 3 methyl butane. Option 1 seems to be the correct answer. Option A. Are you getting it in the same way, all of you?
Yes.
Let's see the
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Yes, option A is the correct answer. Now, can you tell me the answer for this one, 25th one? This is a 1995 question, very old question. So how will you do it? Let me explain. There we have CH3, you have CH double bond, then CH, then you have CH2, okay, then you have CH, then you have an amino group is connected here, NH2, then you have CH2, then COOH. So we know when COOH is there, that is having the highest priority. So I will include this in my parent carbon chain and choose my parent chain like this. Now I will start numbering from here. 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. So I know that third position you have NH2. So whenever NH2 behaves like a substituent, we will put it as amino. So I can say 3 amino, 3 amino. then 7 carbon atoms are there. So we say hept, sixth, fifth position you have ene. So hept 5N, first position oic acid. So the answer will be for option A, 3 amino. You can say 5 heptanoic acid. That is also correct. Or you can say hept 5N 1 oic acid. So option A seems to be the correct answer. Okay. All of you are getting this one?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we are completing around 25 questions. So we'll go to the 26th question next class. So I hope until this, all of you have your ideas clear. Please go through this Neet 2021 paper. So I have given the detailed explanation in the YouTube channel. You can just search Brainiacs classes or Neet 2021 paper discussion Brainiacs classes. You will get it, and just to go through it, it will be helping you just to get a glimpse of it. Okay, I'm wishing you a happy good night and have a great dinner. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Another?